Hi guys, this is Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a weekly pamper routine. Now this is a routine which helps me pamper my skin, my body and my hair. During the week sometimes I get too busy and I hardly concentrate on my hair and body, and that is exactly why I have this weekly pamper routine wherein I take care of my skin, my body as well as my hair, and that is exactly what I'm going to be showing you in today's video.
Alright, let's start off with the face. I've freshly cleansed my face and I'm gonna put my hair up because it's much easier that way, and we are gonna be shaving my face. So I'm just gonna spritz some rose water all over my face and I'm gonna be using this beautiful razor. And I'm just gonna give gentle small strokes everywhere that I need to shave. I've done one full video on how I shave. I'm gonna link it on the top in case you guys wanna watch it. Once I'm done with that, I take block of ice and just rub it all over my skin. After that is done, I just pat my skin dry and apply nothing else. I started to shave my face about 3 months back and I'm so happy with how it makes my skin feel. Also, it's super easy and fuss free. Moving on to body, because it's summers, my body skin is acting very weird. So today I'm going to be using this product from Wow Skin Science, which is their Upton face and body pack. So this is made of natural traditional ingredients known for cleansing and skin restoring properties. It also comes with a brush which is amazing and smells so good. It is based on the traditional Upton recipes with chickpea flour, almond flour, saffron, turmeric, rose water and sandalwood oil. Now how I personally like to use it is just scoop out some product and then apply it evenly on my hands and feet, because those are the areas which tend to become very dry, tanned and look dull. So chickpea flour is also rich in zinc, so it helps remove dead skin layer and also fine hair from face and body, and I absolutely love this technique. I keep the product on my body for about 10 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. You can also use a gentle cleanser if you would like to. It also is suitable for all skin types, and it also has turmeric and saffron which helps in brightening and repairing your skin. All Wow Skin Science products are manufactured in India, and in case you want to test the authenticity of the product, you just have to flip it and scan the QR code. Also, they have many other products in their Upton range, like their foaming face wash, Upton face serum, etc. I'm going to leave links to these products in the description box below in case you're interested. You can use my coupon code Nishitha Mallur on their official website buywow.in to get a flat 20% off on your order. Now for my hair, this is something that I've been following from ages. I just take a cup of coconut oil and then warm it for about 20 seconds in the microwave, and once it's done I just add some curry leaves and also some fenugreek seeds into the warm oil. Both of them help in strengthening your hair. So I've been following this from ages now and I absolutely love how this trick works for me every single time. And after that's done, I'm just going to warm this again for a little bit for about 10 seconds. And once that is done, I make sure to separate the curry leaves and the fenugreek seeds from the oil. And once the filtration is done, I'm left with oil that looks something like this, and it smells a little bit like curry leaves, which I absolutely love. Let me know if you like it. So yeah, I'm just gonna deeply massage this oil into my hair, my scalp and my roots. This is the best treatment that I've been following, and it works for me every single time. So I let this oil stay for about an hour before I take a shower. I'm just gonna tie it into a bun. Meanwhile, I'm going to be taking a wet towel and I'm going to microwave it for about 30 seconds until it becomes all warm and nice. And once that is done, I'm going to remove the towel and then wrap it all around my head and keep it on for another 20 minutes. And then I wash off my hair. I feel like it makes my hair very manageable and healthy and strong.
So that marks the end of today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it and also learned a lot of new things. I will see you in my next one. Until then, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and follow me on my Instagram for a lot of other fun updates. I will see you super soon. Bye.